right, this is just my already pre-made cornbread that I got from Kroger. We're gonna go ahead and grab our chopped up cornbread and put it in our bowl. Just make sure it's all crumbled up and right into your bowl. You want small pieces for this recipe. It's okay if it sticks to your cutting board. That just means it's an extra yummy cornbread. Ooh. All right, now right in with our cornbread, I'm gonna go ahead and grab some tomatoes that I cut in half. Now, I'm gonna grab 1 green pepper that I diced. This is gonna be a super yummy and delicious appetizer side dish. It's so good for you and it tastes amazing. Now I'm gonna grab some kidney beans, and I did wash these beans, but you can use whatever beans you like. And I'm using that whole can of kidney beans. Ooh, yeah, you could use garbanzo beans, you could use black beans, you could use chili beans, whatever you like. Now, of course, I'm coming in with a can of corn, and I drain this corn. You gotta make sure you drain all of your veggies and beans. All right, I'm gonna come in with some bacon bits, and we're gonna put those right in the center. Oh yeah. Now, before we dress this, I'm gonna go ahead and toss it. So what I'm making today is my Southern cornbread salad. If you've never had cornbread salad before, you have not lived. This is the best salad you could ever make. It's so easy to make. You can make your own cornbread. If you have a delicious cornbread recipe, share it with me in the comments. I would love to try it out. But for today, I wanted it to be super easy, so I just grabbed my cornbread from Kroger, and just look how it turns into crumbles into our salad. Ooh, this looks fantastic. Okay, now that we have that well tossed, we're gonna go ahead and make our dressing. We're gonna start off with some sour cream. I'm using 8 ounces of sour cream, and we're just gonna go ahead and get that whole thing in there. Ooh, yeah. Oh, that came out perfect. Look, easy. With that sour cream, we're gonna throw in some buttermilk ranch. And I know you might think I'm crazy for, using a dressing to make a dressing, but this is the combination that just really hits. And we're gonna add 8 ounces of our ranch too. So it's gonna be half ranch, half sour cream. And I'm just measuring with my heart. Once this looks like the same size as that, you have enough. Beautiful. Last and final ingredient is some green onions, and we're gonna go ahead and just chop those right in like I always do. This is just gonna add a nice little freshness, nice little tang to our cornbread salad. Oh, this smells so good. I love green onion. You can add as little or as much as you like. I did wash these and let them dry overnight. So we're gonna go ahead and put them in here. I like to keep them in the little rubber bands just for easy cutting. I'm gonna add a lot because I just feel like green onions complements the sour cream and the cornbread so nicely. Ooh, look at that. That is a gorgeous salad. All right, come back with our salad mixers, and we're gonna go ahead and toss in that dressing so we get the most delicious cornbread salad you've never had before. Ooh, yeah, look how creamy that is getting. Ooh, this is looking good. But I think the only thing I would adjust is if I made my own cornbread, I would make it a little bit drier so that it wouldn't be so crumbly in our salad. But besides that, I think this is gonna be pretty good. So if you make your own cornbread for this recipe, just let it dry out just a tad so that you don't have super crumbles in your salad. Okay, just get this nice and mixed. All right, this is ready to serve. Go ahead and get your bowl and your fork. Ooh, I'm so excited to try this cornbread salad. Ooh, looks so good. Reminds me of like a potato salad or an egg salad with how creamy it is. Okay, I wanna make sure I get a lot of that cornbread in there. Oh yeah, there it is. That, so good.